Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Peugeot 2008 SUV. I'm going to show you around some of the basic features of this car to help get you up and running. So let's have a look around. The lights and indicators are located on the stick to the left of the steering wheel. If you move the stick up, indicates right, down indicates left. You can rotate the controls on the end to move between your side lights and your headlights. To bring on full beam, pull towards you, and to leave it on, pull a little bit further. The controls for the wipers are located on the stick to the right hand side of the steering wheel. If you press the stick down, this can deactivate or activate the auto wiper feature. If you move up, this switches on intermittent wipers, up again for slow speed, and again for the fastest setting. If you need to use the washer jets, pull towards you and hold. To use the rear wiper, rotate the control clockwise, and to use the rear jet, clockwise again. The controls to adjust the wing mirrors are located on the driver's side door. Use this slider to control either the left or the right wing mirror, and then directional buttons to adjust accordingly. If you need to fold the wing mirrors in from inside the car, slide the button to the middle and pull down. The latch to open the bonnet is located in the passenger side footwell. To connect your phone to the car via Bluetooth, click Bluetooth search. Now you need to make sure that your phone has Bluetooth switched on, and after a short search it will detect the device. Select the device. It will come up with a pair code which you need to accept both on your phone and in car. And from here you choose how you want to use the device. To control the air conditioning, you use the touchscreen. On the left you control the power of the fan. In the middle, temperature controls. On the right, where you'd like the air to be blown. And at the bottom here you've got air conditioning on or off, and also you can set it to auto. The car also features cruise control with a speed limiter. You can flip between these modes using this scroller that can be controlled from the back or the front. Speed limiters at the top, cruise control at the bottom. To set the speed you're currently doing, press the button on the back at the top. You can use this button also to increase the speed of cruise control, the button below it on the back to decrease the speed, the button on the end to pause cruise control. If you require further assistance with the controls of your vehicle, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. We wish you many happy journeys in your new car and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.